Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a smartwatch that actually keeps up with your lifestyle, whether you're running trails, hitting the gym, hiking through the Rockies, or just staying on top of your health goals, you're in the right place. Today, I'm counting down 6 of the most powerful and popular Garmin watches that are still dominating the market right now in the US. These aren't just fitness trackers, they're full-blown performance tools. We're talking about multi-band GPS, solar charging, real-time stamina tracking, and even watches that can tell you when you need to rest or hydrate. I mean, how cool is that? I've ranked them from solid value picks to high-performance beasts that athletes swear by. And believe me, my number 1 pick is an absolute game changer, so make sure you stick around till the end. Let's kick things off with number 6. Number 6, Garmin Venu SQ2. Starting off the list is the Garmin Venu SQ2, a watch I'd call the perfect entry point into the Garmin ecosystem. If you're new to fitness wearables or just want a reliable daily driver, this one checks a lot of boxes without draining your wallet. What I like most here is how lightweight and comfortable it is. It doesn't feel bulky on the wrist, even if you wear it all day or all night. Because yes, it tracks your sleep too. You're getting an AMOLED display that's way better than what most budget-friendly watches offer. And it makes a difference, especially outdoors in bright light. The touch responsiveness is snappy, and the UI is clean and easy to get around. As far as features go, it's got built-in GPS, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, pulse ox, body battery energy tracking, and VO2 max estimates. For casual runners, walkers, or anyone just trying to stay on top of their health, it's more than enough. Battery life? We're talking about up to 11 days in smartwatch mode. That's impressive, especially for something this slim and stylish. Now, if you're expecting super advanced metrics like real-time stamina or training readiness, you won't find that here. But for this price, it's hard to beat. Great starter, Garmin. Easy to wear and full of essentials. Number 5, Garmin Forerunner 255 Music. Moving up to number 5, we have the Garmin Forerunner 255 Music. And this one really steps it up, especially for runners and triathletes who want a performance-focused watch that actually motivates. First off, let's talk music. As the name suggests, you can download and store playlists directly on the watch, no phone needed during your workouts. Just pair your Bluetooth earbuds and go. It also adds multi-band GPS, which means you get far more accurate location tracking, even in tricky environments like dense forests or urban areas. That's a big upgrade for anyone training outdoors. But what really got my attention? The race widget. This little feature lets you prep for race day with countdowns, weather updates, and performance predictions. Super helpful for goal-focused athletes. You also get daily workout suggestions, heart rate variability, HRV, tracking, sleep score, and training readiness, so your watch isn't just telling you how far you ran, it's telling you whether you should train harder or take a break. And let's not forget the battery, up to 14 days in smartwatch mode and 30 hours in GPS mode. That's serious stamina for a mid-range watch. It's lightweight, it's packed with features, and it feels like it's made for people who are serious about running, but still want to enjoy their music without fuss. Number 4, Garmin Instinct 2X Solar Tactical Edition. Alright, coming in at number 4 is the rugged beast itself, the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar Tactical Edition. If you're someone who's into outdoor adventures, survival challenges, or just loves gear that can handle anything life throws at it, this might be your perfect match. This watch is built like a tank. We're talking MIL STD 810 military standards here, shockproof, thermal resistant, and waterproof, up to 100 meters. Whether you're hiking through a storm or diving into deep waters, the 2X Tactical is built to go the distance. What sets it apart is the solar charging. Yep, you can actually extend battery life indefinitely if you're outdoors in the sun regularly. And it's not just a gimmick, this thing delivers serious autonomy, which is a huge win if you hate charging watches every couple of days. Now, what makes this edition tactical? Glad you asked. It has features like stealth mode, night vision compatibility, kill switch, and dual position GPS formatting. Basically, if you're in the military, law enforcement, or just want a watch that goes above and beyond, this is the one to look at. And of course, you still get the fitness tracking, sleep monitoring, heart rate, stress tracking, and GPS navigation Garmin is known for. Plus, it supports multi-band GNSS for pinpoint location accuracy, even in tough environments like canyons or forests. Bottom line, this is a tool, not just a smartwatch. And for anyone serious about adventure or tactical precision, it's a powerful companion. That's why the Instinct 2X Tactical earns the number 4 spot on this list. Number 3, Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2, Sapphire Edition. Moving on to number 3, we've got something special for those who want it all, the Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2, Sapphire Edition. This one is for the data lovers, athletes, and smartwatch fans who want premium everything in a sleek package. Right off the bat, this device stands out with its AMOLED touchscreen display. It's vibrant, sharp, and super responsive, a joy to navigate whether you're indoors or outside in bright sunlight. And it's protected by sapphire glass, so you won't have to baby it. But the beauty goes beyond the screen. Under the hood, this watch is packed with features. Heart rate variability, VO2 max, recovery stats, sleep coaching, multi-band GPS, maps, and even weather overlays for outdoor training. It's like having a personal trainer, coach, and adventure guide all wrapped into one. The Gen 2 Pro model also includes flashlight features with red and white light, an updated optical heart rate sensor, and endurance-specific tools that monitor your stamina in real time, super helpful for long runs or hikes. And the battery life? Easily one of the best for a full-featured AMOLED watch. Depending on your settings, you're looking at days, not hours of performance. And that's with full GPS and smart features running. Overall, the Epix Pro Gen 2 is where style meets substance. It looks like a premium smartwatch, but performs like a rugged multisport tool. If you want cutting-edge tech without sacrificing durability, this one's a serious contender, and a well-deserved number 3 on our list. Number 2, Garmin Venu 3. Number 2 on this list is the beautifully balanced Garmin Venu 3. This one's for anyone who wants the perfect mix of fitness, wellness, and smartwatch features without going too rugged or too sporty. It's sleek, it's smart, and it delivers big time when it comes to versatility. Right away, the Venu 3 grabs your attention with its vivid AMOLED display. The screen is sharp, colorful, and a pleasure to look at, whether you're checking notifications or reviewing your sleep scores. It's also touch-friendly and super fluid when scrolling through widgets and menus. Where the Venu 3 shines is in its health and wellness focus. You get detailed sleep tracking, nap detection, HRV status, jet lag advisor, and even wheelchair mode, a unique addition that makes this model more inclusive than ever. It feels like Garmin really went the extra mile to make this watch smart and human at the same time. Battery life is solid, around 10 days in smartwatch mode, and about 20 hours in GPS mode. That's more than enough for most users who want a set it and forget it experience. Add in Bluetooth calls, voice assistant support, and music storage, and you've basically got a smartwatch that keeps up with your lifestyle in and out of workouts. Or runners, gym goers, yogis, or anyone who wants health data in a stylish package, the Venu 3 hits the sweet spot. It's friendly, it's advanced, and honestly, it would have taken the top spot if not for one other absolute beast of a watch. And finally, my number 1 pick, the Garmin Fenix 7 Pro Sapphire Solar. This is it, the crown jewel. The Garmin Fenix 7 Pro Sapphire Solar is hands down the most complete, powerful, and feature-rich multisport watch you can get your hands on this year. If I could recommend just one watch for serious athletes, adventurers, or even tech nerds who want everything in one device, this is the one. First, let's talk toughness. The Fenix 7 Pro is built with sapphire glass, titanium bezel, and military-grade durability. It laughs in the face of extreme weather, rocky trails, and heavy impacts. It's made to survive and thrive in the harshest conditions. But don't let that fool you. Under the rugged shell is a powerhouse of smart tech. You get solar charging for extended battery life, LED flashlight built right into the case, multi-band GNSS for elite-level location accuracy, heart rate and pulse ox sensors, and real-time stamina tracking, and that's barely scratching the surface. This watch supports topo maps, ski maps, golf maps, weather overlays, and training readiness scores. It's like having a full command center on your wrist. Whether you're running a marathon, climbing a mountain, or just walking the dog, the Fenix 7 Pro adapts to you and helps you get better at what you do. And yes, the battery can last weeks, especially with solar charging enabled. That kind of reliability is priceless if you're away from power sources for long stretches. For those who want a true no-compromises watch, the Fenix 7 Pro Sapphire Solar is in a league of its own. That's why it proudly earns the #1 spot on this list. And that wraps it up. The 6 best Garmin watches available right now, each with its own strengths, features, and ideal user in mind. Whether you're an athlete, a weekend warrior, or someone who just wants to be a little more connected to their health and performance, there's a perfect watch here for you. Which one was your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're using or thinking about buying. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss the next honest review, deep dive breakdown, or smart tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.